What's up, everyone? What's going on? How is everyone? Out on a ride on a nice Memorial Day Sunday, taking advantage of the beautiful weather we got. I just got a quick one today. Now, as you may or may not know, I got the new Drift Ghost S camera because my other one kind of bugged out on me. What I noticed is when there's an external mic plugged in, there is a high-pitched, like squeak, whine, whatever you want to call it, that I have to take out in editing. Is this just my camera? Am I just having really bad luck with my cameras, or is this like a feature of the S? Hopefully it's a firmware fix. I mean, I've noticed some other guys who have the Ghost S, you can hear it on theirs too. It's very faint. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have an unedited clip right here. And you can see there's definitely a high-pitched, like a squeal, whine, whatever frequency type thing going on. What's up, Drift? What's going on with that? Is that a firmware fix, or is my camera no good? Alright, cut it out now. Damn, that tone annoys me. Anyways, guys, hope everyone has a good Memorial Day weekend. Remember, it's not National Barbecue Day, as many people think. There is a reason. There's a reason that you have this 3-day weekend. Try to go back and reflect on it. Till next time, see ya.